Trikonasana, the triangle pose. Inhale. Take medium stance. Rotate your right foot out at 90-degree angle. Stretch your arm at shoulder level. Exhale. Place your right hand on your right shin bone. Simultaneously, stretch your left arm towards the ceiling in the line with the tops of your shoulder. Slowly turn your head into the left, eye gazing softly at the left palm. Maintain the posture for a couple of times. As you inhale, come up, bring your arms down to your sides and strengthen your feet. Repeat the asana on the other side. Benefits of Trikonasana: stretches and strengthen the thighs, knees and ankle. Stretches the hips, hamstring, pelvis, shoulder, chest and spine. Stimulate the abdominal organs. Help in relieve stress. Improve digestion. Help to relieve the symptoms of menopause. Contraindication of Trikonasana: if you are suffering from headache, low blood pressure, diarrhea, avoid practice of this asana. Do not practice if an injury of the backbone, slip discs, knee, hips, ankles, shoulder, neck, etc.